Looking for a home near Naiya, Alabang, and Makati? We have Bloom Residences along Sukat Road, right beside Skyway. Prime location, affordable, and with flexible terms. Perfect for rental or personal use. Come and join me to check out this property.
It's a good.
Are you ready to live in a home where just everything you need is around the corner?
Here at Bloom, it feels like you're in a resort every day. A complete lifestyle right outside your unit.
Check this lobby out.
So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to bloom in your own space here in Bloom Residences?
If you are interested in this property, send me a message.